Welcome to our tutorial on creating vertical Google Slides. Sometimes, a portrait orientation adds a fresh perspective to your content. In this video, we will show you how to transform your slides. 1. Using the website, computer, open your Google Slides presentation in any web browser. Click File, a Page Setup, at the bottom, in the drop-down, select Custom, enter the desired dimensions for your vertical slides. The first box is for width, and the second is for height. For reference, default slides are 10 by 5.62 inches. Swap the two numbers to rotate the slide vertically. Hit Enter or press Apply to make your slides vertical. All newly added slides will follow this orientation. Existing slides, not recommended. You can apply the same method to existing slides. However, resizing and repositioning content on each slide may be necessary. It's best to use this approach for new presentations. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.